Everybody, I'm here with Teresa, one of my favorite humans in the whole world, and we are
right
here.
Back at you, Justin.
We're here at the She Shed at SEMA 2023 with the Jesse Combs Foundation, Real Deal, and Girl Gang Garage. Teresa, what's up? How's it going? Tell us about what's going on here.
Freaking fantastic! Look
So
at this
good.
place. It's so good, right?
Dude, the structure you guys built, you got Goldie Rocks
And that
here.
was Jesse and I.
That's awesome.
I know. Yeah, right.
So what's the premise? What's the whole thing you got going on here?
So I mean, first off, Jesse and I have always wanted to do this. You know, it was always like she was so busy. You know, we love the SEMA show, so we do all these things here. She was busy, I was busy, but we're like, how cool would it be to have people, you know, women working on cars here, doing things, and so. Finally, we started to integrate that last couple of years. So last year we had Real Deal Revolution here. And this year, you know, Bogey called up from Girl Gang Garage and she was like, hey, you got room in your booth?
So rad.
And then the Jesse Combs Foundation, you know, we work with them on a lot of different things. That's just a natural fit as well. So
you're having classes in here
all week
long?
Heck yeah. We're doing it.
That's great.
The idea with Real Deal, we do workshops. So we want to have hands-on skill trades. We want to give people the opportunity. People come up and go, I've always wanted to do this. Great, let's teach you right now. So, you know, we do pinstriping, we're going to do carburetor rebuild, we're doing resin right now, and we do leather work, starting into upholstery and things like that. So just whatever skill trade we can do. Yeah.
That's fantastic.
No,
and right here, like live in the show floor. And
then
Friday, what's happening on Friday?
Tattoos.
There's going to be tattoos happening here in the booth.
And I think you have a few of them on you.
I do. I got
right?
Yep, absolutely.
Where's mine? Right there.
So cool. So if you guys are here at SEMA, you got to come down. We as Warren and Factor 55 are huge supporters.
Yes,
Real Deal,
they are.
Jesse Combs Foundation.
100%.
So come by, check out the She Shed.
It's so good.
It's so
We're in
good.
Central Hall, booth number 24663. We'll see you there.